Welcome back, students. My teaching, my board, where your dreams can take shape. So, in the previous videos, we have discussed about up till now. We have discussed the Coulomb's law. We have also discussed the key points of the Coulomb's law, and then we have discussed the basic fundamental principles, law of parallelograms, and law of superposition. I hope so. You have understood the previous videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss some basic fundamental questions which are based on Coulomb's law directly. Okay. So electrostatics example based on formulae directly. है ना? We are going to discuss the examples which are directly based on this formulae. So let's discuss example number 1. You can see that in example number 1, let us first read. What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance? है ना? This is the important. What is the minimum distance between the two charges placed at the separation of 1 meter? So minimum, sorry, this is the minimum force. This is not distance. You can write here. This is the minimum force. Okay. So we have to calculate the minimum force between the two charges which are placed at a separation of 1 meter. As we know that the formula of force is by Coulomb's law, which is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is the formula for Coulomb's law. Now to get the minimum force, we have to see the equation first. As we know the separation between the two charges, we know the separation of the two charges is 1 meter. So separation is fixed. So now the product of charges is variable, and product of charges is variable, and we have to find the minimum force. So we have to take the product minimum, and the minimum product is possible if the charge is equal to charge of electron, because the minimum possible charge, as we have learned in the properties also, uh, that minimum possible charge is the charge of electron. So we will take Q1 and Q2 is equal to E, and we will multiply it to get Ke square upon 1 square. So our answer will be Ke square. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कितनी बार ही नीट में और मेंस में खासकर ज्यादा पूछे गए. 2 बार मेंस में क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को समझ गए, देखो मिनिमम फोर्स का आपको खेल समझना था यहाँ पे, और मिनिमम फोर्स तभी होगा जब चार्ज मिनिमम होगा, क्योंकि सेपरेशन को हमने फिक्स कर दिया है. तो चार्ज मिनिमम हमें प्रॉपर्टी से पता चलेगा, इसलिए प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो में, जब से पहली वीडियो मैंने पढ़ानी स्टार्ट की थी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स में, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द चार्जेस, in which I have pointed out that minimum charge possible is the charge of electron. So वो concept देखो हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया. इतना जिसको blink हो गया तो ये क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं था, फिर हमने जैसे E की वैल्यू पुट करी, we will get K square upon 1 square, answer will be K square. That's it. Let's discuss the next example. This is also very interesting. Find the force. These all two examples are based directly on the formula, so these are very simple examples. Find the force between the two given charges. Let's say the charge is 1 coulomb and this charge is 2 coulomb, and the separation between them is 2 meters. So we want to calculate the force. We know that the force by Coulomb's law, that is Q K into Q1 Q2 upon R square. What is the value of K, students? The value of K is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 1 coulomb into 2 coulomb upon separation square, that is 2 square. By putting the values, this is just a calculation problem. For your practice, you will get 4.5 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. This is the answer. So these are the examples which are directly based on the formulae, so which will help you to understand the Coulomb's law very in a fine manner. Okay, thank you.